Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a great budgeting app to use, just in case you don't really like the Mint app or any other apps you may use or writing on paper. You can also use this app to keep track of your debt payments and savings. But before we get into this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you won't ever miss an upload. Alright, you guys, this app is a digital form of the envelope system you may see other YouTubers use that Dave Ramsey suggests. This helps categorize your finances into a digital envelope. You also can sign into your banking information on this app. But I signed out of mine because it's further along in the month and I actually made some extra money this month to put towards debt. So I can do a separate video on that to show you guys how much money I have saved. But I really wanted to show this app to you guys so you guys can know that there's different ways to use the envelope system. If you're not into having it physically in your hand, you can categorize it in this app, adding your income and adding all of your expenses, and it will categorize it into envelopes. I was using my October budget as a reference that you guys may have already seen. If you haven't, I'll link it in the cards above. But I wanted to show you another way to budget your money without using pen and paper. You can use it digitally. For people who don't like to write things down, they do everything on their phone. And they also have like graphs and charts so you can see where your money is going the most, so you can try to make adjustments to spend less money in one category. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave comments down below, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't ever miss an upload. And thanks for watching.